Hi, I'm Savanna.
I'm Ehu.
I'm Jordan.
And today we're gonna talk about enthalpy change. So our purpose for this experiment was you determine the enthalpy change as a hydrochloric acid solution, and it's neutralized by the solution of sodium hydroxide.
Enthalpy is the thermodynamic quantity equivalent to the total heat of a system. Hydrochloric acid is a strong mineral acid with many uses, and hydroxide is a diatomic anion with chemical formula HO subtract minus.
Okay, so for our experiment, we first added just the hydrochloric acid in the cup, and then so for the first about 25 seconds we just measured the temperature of just the hydrochloric acid by itself, and then after that 20 seconds we added the sodium hydroxide with the hydrochloric acid, and then we noticed that the temperature immediately spiked to about less than 30 degrees Celsius. And then so over the next 180 seconds we just measured how the two mixed together and what their temperature were, and we noticed that their temperature eventually decreased, but not by that much, only by about 3 degrees Celsius. And here on the table we have key points in this graph where it's the beginning temperature, and then where the temperature spikes, and then the end temperature. So the evaluation for this experiment was the change in temperature was 5.4 degrees Celsius, and the heat energy was we found the heat energy by using the equation Q equals Cp times M times the change in temperature. So the Cp was 4.18 joules per gram Celsius multiplied by 100 grams multiplied by 5.4 degrees Celsius change. And the answer was Q equals 2,257.2 joules. And so the change in heat was negative 2,257.2 joules, and the moles of hydrochloric acid in this experiment was 0.02 moles. And so we found this by dividing 1 by 50, because there's 1 mole in 1 liter.
Our acceleration was when the hydraulic acid and hydroxide are mixed, it gives off a heat which is enthalpy.
And in the bottom left corner, there's a drawing of what the experiment looked like. So the green is the 400 milliliter beaker. That's the cup around it. And this is the lab quest connected to the temperature probe, so we can take the temperature of the experiment.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, I'm Savanna.
Wait, start again. Okay.
Are you kidding me? Okay, you know what? Anyways, hi, I'm Savanna.
Celsius, and we multiplied that by 100 grams, and we multiplied that by 5.4 degrees Celsius and got 2,257.2